Hi friends, hi, hello everyone. Here is our One Life newsletter dated November 24th, Wednesday. Company news. What are the latest updates? We'll see. Fifty-fifty payment for educational packages. If you purchase 4 identical training packages, gives an additional identical training package. You order 4 and you will get 5. Build your own eagle and put this in the duplication. And accounting department email address is invoice@onelifecorp.eu. This is the format how you have to make an email for the accounting department in order to get your educational packages. These are the different ways of making an email. The subject version given 3 ways: 50-50 promotion, or you can order like 4+1 promotion. You just type it, order 50-50 and 4+1 promotion in your subject. And you have to mention your full details like full name, full address, from which country you are making a mail, and your One Life username from which you have paid 50% by using your OneCoins. These are the details you have to mention while you are purchasing the educational packages from the One Life network by using 50-50 payment mode. This is valid until 31st December 2020. If you want to become an eagle, you have to sponsor directly 2 persons and another person indirectly. So totally you have to make or introduce 3 persons into One Life network. And if you want to work in Eagle promotion, you are being allowed into a special group. So the next split is super split. The company is making this message for all the One Lifers. And rank advancements. What are the rewards for rank achievers? For Sapphire Achiever, you are going to get a One Life free starter package, 140 euros. For Ruby Achievers, he is going to get 1030 euros package free. Emerald Achievers is going to get free package worth 2030 euros. Diamond Achiever will get free 5530 euros free package, Tycoon package. Blue Diamond Achiever will get a Tycoon Plus package as a free worth 7530 euros. Black Diamond Achiever will get 2 free Tycoon packages. Crown Diamond Achiever will get 13,750 euros free. These are the awards and rewards for the rank achievers in One Life Network. Change your rank now and get your fantastic rewards. And we are having Christmas ahead. So, for the Christmas and happy One Life year, the gift that keeps on giving, get a gift that would continue giving throughout the year. Our app will be available to you soon. So we are getting a new One Life app. This will be available to you soon because of occasion of happy One Life year. Purchase during the discounted Christmas promotion period for 60% of the normal price. Okay, you are getting 60% offer. So all of you make use of this one. We are going to have our app available to you soon. Don't worry guys. We are going next level. Next, one life for more life, never too old to learn. If you want to learn anything, don't waste your time. Learn now itself and earn money. This is the suggestion for all of you from the One Life Corporate team. Important notice for password reset. Recently, with the migration process, it appears that there are some members experiencing difficulty in their attempts to reset their passwords due to the following error. We are getting could not determine active user. It is possible that more than one user has the same email. So the One Life corporate team would like to inform you that you just reset your password and get your link to your personal email and log into your email by resetting your password. If you are having more profiles, you have to apply for the support team in order to merge into single profile, because our One Life 2.0 supports only single profile with different accounts, which supports a single email only. Okay, for that you need to pay 30 euros because you have to merge all the different profiles into single profile. And if you want to change your phone number, you need to pay 30 euros. If you want to change your email, you need to pay 30 euros. So for that, they are going to make a confirmation that ownership of the profiles. So for that, you need to submit a proof of ID document and proof of address documents, and you need to pay the amounts through Bankwire or BTC, and merchants shut out. If anybody want to make suggestions for the company, make use of this email support@dealchecker.com. You have to send your suggestions for the company. Switzerland is making a lot of deals. It's introducing good merchants in Switzerland. 60% OneCoin they are accepting, 40% fiat currency, and 80% OneCoin in Switzerland and 20% cash in Switzerland for house purchase. And one more thing, 100% OneCoins are also accepting for so they are accepting 100% OneCoin for making a training session for One Life community. For an hour session, they are taking 100% OneCoin as a fee payment. And another one is good deal that involves 10% to 30% cash they are accepting, remaining fiat currency. And the varieties of OneCoin percentages are available over here. These are the different varieties of bottle sizes. So each and everything has its own percentage of OneCoin acceptancy through DealChecker platform. These are the some other milk products also available. So a lot of varieties are available in DealChecker, and our DealChecker search engine is working perfectly now because our support team is working on that, because they are parallelly working on two platforms. They are working to develop apps also parallelly. I think they are going to give us as a new year surprise for all of us. Okay friends, thank you very much. Make use of these promotions and rank advancements. We are going to get soon new apps as a new year surprises. Thank you friends, thank you very much.